Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the entire origin of the pharmacovigilance. So friends, first of all we all see what is pharmacovigilance word meaning. Mainly pharmacovigilance word is divided into two parts, that is first one is pharmacon and second one is vigilar. Pharmacon means a drug or medicinal substance and vigilar means to keep watch on it. In short, pharmacovigilance means to keep watch on the drugs. Let's we are see the pharmacovigilance definition as per WHO. A pharmacovigilance is activity or sciences that related to detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of the adverse drug reaction or any drug related problem. That means pharmacovigilance. In this definition, mainly four steps are given, that is detection, assessment, understanding and prevention. Let's we see one by one at a brief what happened to the particular term. In detection, during the clinical trial, investigators are reported to ADR, and during to the post-marketing surveillance, NESCPs or patient relatives, anyone reported to the ADR. Then in assessment, to check the ADR, that is happen to the drug or any other reason. Then in understanding, to study of the overall the ADR and check out the how happen ADR. Then in prevention, to responsibility of the manufacturer companies are such ADR reported to the particular regulatory authority proactively and take precautionary measures. Such ADRs do not happen in future again. That is pharmacovigilance process. Then we see how to pharmacovigilance is launched into the Europe, America and India. The main reason of pharmacovigilance setup is launched is the sulfonilamide tragedy and thalidomide tragedy. In 1937, sulfonilamide tragedy is happened into the USA due to toxic solvent named as diethylene glycol, and in this tragedy 107 people are died into the USA. Due to its tragedy in USA, Food, Drug and Cosmetic Acts are launched into the 1938. Then thalidomide tragedy. Thalidomide tragedy was happened into the 1961 into the Germany due to the toxic drug, that is thalidomide. In this tragedy, 10, 10, 10 sorry 10,000 plus babies are affected and more than 1000 babies are died due to thalidomide. Due to its thalidomide tragedy, Kaufner Harris amendment was passed into the Germany, and in India, PVPI program was initiated into 2010 under the CDSCO. Thank you.